Old to Gold world, where legends are reborn. Habitat assessment confirms thermal sheltering behavior. These vipers have adapted remarkably to the skull's ventilation systems.
All right, team. The scan confirms high concentrations of all three species. We initiate Protocol Omega.
All specimens accounted for. Lethality levels dropping.
Good. Let's get them loaded before ambient temperatures rise.
All right, let's get these crates secured on the ground. Now let's carefully release the bat colony into the cave. Mission complete, everyone. All units, primary recovery vehicle is now on site. Begin rigging the specialized lifting equipment now. Watch the tension on that biomechanical... Easy now, watch that tension on the primary hoist. Structural integrity is holding at 90%.
Ground team, this is Extraction 1. We have the artifact secured, requesting clearance for final approach to Bay Alpha.
Clearance granted, Extraction 1. Team gantry engaged. Proceeding with lift sequence. Confirmed lift. Moving into Restoration Bay. Watch your clearance. Set down initiated. Locking clamps. Position secure. From destruction to transformation. Old to Gold world. Subscribe now.
Cleaning phase complete. Excellent work. Surface integrity is at 100%. Initiating cooldown procedures. Acknowledge. Stand by for final assessment.
Part 3 inspection complete. The Titan is verified clean and ready for restoration.
Analyze neural pathways. Initiate hydraulic pressure at joints 6 and 7. Prepare energy cutter. Set frequency for organic metal bonds.
Sand infiltration is critical. Internal components are completely seized. This unit is unserviceable. Replacement is mandatory.
Secure the jawline clamps now.
Preparing the lift. All clear.
Slow and steady. Maintain the rinse.
Extraction complete.
Severe damage. Requiring total replacement. Matching specs. Installing new unit now. Powering up. Initiating diagnostics. Analyzing schematic parameters. Initiating precision cut on geometric node. Engaging plasma flux and welding integrity.
Will the alien Titan rise from the desert? Smash subscribe for the impossible rebuild. Comment integrity restored. Comprehensive reinforcement complete. Structural specifications exceeded.
Fabrication completion confirmed. Structural restoration successful. Part 5 ready for engine rebuild. Next phase commencing.
All right, team, this is it. Copy that. Proceeding with the drop. Secure it tight. Check the tolerances. Everything's green. Xenomorph specs engaged.
Precision tolerance achieved. Initiating final seal. Copy that. Moving to torque specs on the chassis. Power output is exceeding expectations. Confirmed. Monster truck capacity reached. Outstanding work.
Precision alignment initiated. Visual confirmation engaged. Mounting sequence is green.
Secure the chest plate, team.
Aligning the arm section.
Check the connection point, character A. Verified. Proceed with lockdown. Alignments complete. Engage diagnostics. Systems nominal. Bring it up.
Installation complete. Pressure seals engaged and holding. Suspension systems are green for launch.
Integration successful. The new enhancements are live. Excellent work. Systems check. Status?
We restore the impossible. Old to gold world.
Power engaging. Status is green across all systems. High reliability confirmed.
Initiating Phase 1 transformation.
Systems nominal.
Engage power.
Completion confirmed. All systems go. Hoses down. Initiating startup sequence. Systems appear nominal. Hydraulic checks online. Titan, confirm operation. Rotate.
Ensure the violet glaze highlights the segmented tail armor. Yes, emphasizing the authentic Scorpion anatomy as requested.
The conservation badge is perfect. Now let's secure the final artistic elements. Copy that. Adjusting now. Excellent work, team. It's magnificent.
Final calibration. Quality control complete. Confirmed show quality results. Ready for the reveal.
Almost there. Drop it 6 inches and lock it. Copy that. Stage is secure. Holographics online. Guests are seated.
We're incredibly proud of this conservation achievement. The Xenomorph chrome paint and bioluminescent accents truly highlight this.
The Titan is fully restored, ready for the competition. Coordinates are locked in. Begin transport procedures. Affirmative. Setting course for the circuit now.
All right, system checks are clear. Ready for launch.
Spectacular job, team.
Let's see what it can do.
The alien Titan is ready. Fans are going wild. Looks spectacular.
The Xenomorph Titan demonstrates unmatched power. A jump of incredible height, showcasing its capability.
Victory for the Xenomorph Titan. They truly demonstrated restoration excellence out there today. A huge win for the conservation efforts.
Giant scorpions, venomous snakes, and bats successfully relocated to protected desert sanctuary. Restoration.
Did it! This is unbelievable.